Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics Solver. Today we are going to read about formula of the trigonometry. So student, let's start. Formula. First is sine A plus B. Formula of sine A plus B student is sine A cos B minus sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. And second one is sine A minus B. Formula is the sine A cos B, and here it is minus sign, then here it is also be the minus sign, and cos A sin B. Now the third formula student is the cos A plus B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now fourth formula we are going to read about cos, here A plus B and here will be A minus B. Then the formula will be cos A cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A and sin B. One thing you noted student, that here it is a plus sign, then in the sign if A plus B, then by deriving it sin A cos B, then here also will be plus sign, and in sign if it is A minus B, then here will be minus sign. But in the cos case, if there is the plus sign, then in the derived formula there is the minus sign. If there is the minus, there will be the plus sign. Okay student. Now next one. Now tan A plus B. Tan A plus B equal to tan A. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Now another formula is tan A minus B. In tan A minus B, tan A, here it will be minus sign. Here is minus sign, then here also will be minus sign. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Now next question. Next formula is student cot A plus B. What will be the formula of the cot A plus B? So student, we know that the tan is the inverse of cot. Then here what we will write, cot A plus B can be written as the cot A cot B, cot A cot B minus 1 and minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. What? Cot B plus cot A. Now next one, if there is the minus between cot A minus B, okay, cot A minus B, here it will be cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Okay student, once again we are going to repeat it, that sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B will be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third one is the cos A plus B, then the formula will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. cos A minus B formula is the cos A cos B. Here it is minus sign, then here will be plus sign, plus sin A sin B. Now tan A plus B formula will be tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. If the tan A minus B, then the formula is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B equal to, student, cot A cot B minus cot B plus cot A. If the cot A minus B, then the formula will be cot A cot B plus, here it is minus, then here will be plus sign. If here will be plus sign, here will be minus sign. Cot A minus cot B will be cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Okay, student? Thank you.